Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the new things on this New Year's update. So first of all, we have these like sprinklers. So cute. You can even like change the color of it. And there's like a lot of toggles like that. And then for the code, you are going to enter New Year 2025, NY 2025, and you'll get this New Year's hat as well as the New Year's balloon. You can also toggle it to the left like this. Super cute. And then also you can buy this New Year set that I have on. You get a necklace, this like arm sleeve, and this super cute dress, which I love. So to get that, you'll need the dress to impress currencies. Go to here, select this area, go to limited sparkling resolution set. You only have until today, so claim it now. Well, like purchase it now, I guess. And then you can also buy the magical girl set as well here, which I also have here in the currency items. So if you've purchased like some of the set from the magical girl, it's going to be, the magical set, it's going to be here already. Like for me, I think I already have this one and then like the shoes and stuff, but I had to purchase some that I didn't have, like the hair and the like bow and stuff like that. And then there's one more thing that's new. Also, there's also like new hair and makeup. As you can see, I'm using the new hair right now. There's also something new which I really love. It's the graphic tee. I've like actually been waiting for this moment. Like it's really cool, and you can like even like select the like graphic you have on it, like the image you have, and you can even change the color to it if you'd like to as well. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.